I'm shooting this intro after my facial, so this is the result which you will get after watching this video. So if you want to know how to make your skin this glowy and shiny and soft, then please watch this video till the end and let me know your views on this kind of video, because if you like these kinds of videos, then I'm going to make many more videos related to skin and skincare. So please let me know your views in the comment section below and also like this video, क्योंकि जितने likes आएंगे I will get to know कि आप लोगों को video अच्छी लग रही है. So yeah, without any further ado, let's begin with the video now. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today's video is going to be a very different kind of video. I am doing this facial at home video for you all guys, because I know that we all are at home and we cannot go to beauty parlors to get our facials done, and a lot of us do have this habit to go to the parlor and pamper our skin. So it's okay, you can do it at home with all the easily available ingredients at home. So why to wait, and let's begin with the video. By the way, if you are here for the very first time, then please consider subscribing. The button will be down here. Please go and subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notified every time when I post a new video, which I do often. Okay guys, so the first step is cleansing, and for cleansing I am taking 2 tablespoons of milk, raw milk, and 1 sachet of green tea. If you have loose powder, then you can definitely use 1 tablespoon of green tea. I am using sachet, so I am taking 1 sachet, and I will just mix milk and green tea together and apply it on my face. With the help of a cotton pad like this, we are going to apply this mixture on our skin, because as they say that milk is the best cleanser you can ever get. So yeah, we are cleansing our skin at this moment, so we are taking green tea and milk as our cleanser. Just apply it on your skin nicely. I will just leave this milk on my skin for 10 minutes and let it dry. After then, I will just clean it with cold water, and that's it. Our cleansing is done. Okay guys, I'm back after washing my face, and this is how my skin is looking right now. The second step is steaming. Now, why steaming? We need to open our pores, because a lot of dirt is actually accumulated under our skin within our pores. So we need to open our pores first. And how can we do that? With steam. While steaming, our pores get open, and yeah, that's how you can extract all the dirt from your skin. Now I am not able to find my steamer. I don't know where I have kept it. So if you have a steamer, then wow, that's good. Take your steamer out and do some steam. I will take this ghar ka magga, and I've already put some hot water in it. Now I'm going to put 1 sachet of green tea in it. I'm going to use this green tea, and I'm just going to put 1 bag in my hot water, so that green tea also helps my pores to get open. So let's begin. I will just keep it in for 2 minutes, like 1 or 2 minutes, and then I will steam. By the way, you need to take steam for minimum 10 minutes. You can go up to like 15-20 minutes as you wish. जब तक आप ये steam कर सकते हो, it's good for your skin. So bye bye, I'm going to take my steam. Done with my steaming like for 10 minutes, and yeah, this is how my skin looks now. It's time for scrub, because जितना भी dirt है skin के अंदर, scrub will help us to remove all the dirt from our skin. And yeah, now let's go and make our scrub. For the scrub we need sugar, green tea, and a little bit of honey, and with that we can make an amazing scrub. Here is my scrub guys, and now I'm going to just scrub my skin. So it is a little sticky because of honey, but it's okay. And sugar will scrub our skin very nicely. Also green tea will help to get the glow. The main region where you should actually scrub is around your nose and around your mouth. So never forget this area to scrub. You need to scrub your skin for 5 minutes and then just wash it with cold water. Okay guys, after the scrub my skin definitely feels very soft, and the area around my nose is also feeling very soft, and it's also clean. Before icing, I need to tell you one thing guys. I am taking plain water ice cubes, but you need to make a green tea ice cube. My green tea ice cubes are still in the freezer because they are a little watery. Now what you have to do is you have to make your green tea as usual and then pour it in an ice cube tray and let it freeze until it holds the shape of a cube. And that's it. You just have to apply that cube on your face because it will work wonders with this facial routine. Don't miss this step because it is very important. It will help you to glow your skin. It will help to soothe your skin. Plus it will close the pores that you have already opened. So go ahead and use an ice on your face. The next step is a mask. Now mask is very important because it helps your skin to glow the most. Now let's go in the kitchen and again make our mask. For our mask we need besan, curd and green tea. That's it. That's all we need for our mask. This is how my mask looks, and now I'm going to apply it on my face. Okay guys, I am back after washing my face and my skin looks so soft and super clean. Now the last step is to use aloe vera on your skin. I am using this Patanjali aloe vera gel. You can use any aloe vera gel, and yeah, that's it. Ta-da! Okay guys, that's it for the facial at home. So this is how my skin looks now. It's super clean, super soft, and yeah. अगर आप भी फेशियल ट्राई करने वाले हो तो डेफिनेटली लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो एंड डेफिनेटली शेयर योर रिजल्ट विद मी, एंड आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम विद अ न्यू वीडियो. टिल देन टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय.